Hi guys, welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I printed this Courier bag. Okay, so after watching this video you should be able to do this. Now I'm not using any machine, it's a screen printing job, so you just follow me and you will be able to do this. Okay, now this is the bags when they were not yet printed. In case you need this bag, that's why I left my number on the screen. This is a Courier bag and we have them for sale. In case you need it, you can always call the number on the screen. Now the colors I used for this printing, the color I used is deep orange. So to get this color I mixed yellow with little red. Okay, so after the mixture you can see the deep orange color is already here. All right, so now we are going to go ahead and start printing. I've already transferred my mesh. In case you don't know how to do this, you can check out my I have other tutorials where I talked about how you can transfer your artwork to your mesh. Okay, I'm still going to leave the description, I'm going to leave the link on the description box below, so you will be able to look at it in case you don't know how to do that. But if you have been following my videos, I have dropped a course on that. Okay, now this is how we print, so you just enjoy the rest of the video. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, just go ahead and subscribe. Okay, and please, you have a question, leave your question on the comment section. Trust me, I'm going to answer any question you drop on the comment section. So but if you are calling the number on the screen, it's strictly for business. Okay, in case you need any of these materials here, maybe you want to try out this and you don't know where to get the materials, but you can always get your materials from any art shop. You know, those places they sell art materials, you can always get your material. But in case, because we are located at Port Harcourt, Rivers State, in case you need any of these materials and you are somewhere around Port Harcourt and its environ, you just have to go ahead and call us and we are going to supply you whatever you need. Okay, so finally we are through with the printing, and as you can see how sharp and how beautiful everything is looking. Okay, so we have to spread them out. So now you can see I'm packaging my ink, because you know these things are expensive now, so I don't want anyone wasted. So these are the things I printed. These are all the nylons I printed, so I had to spread it out to dry off. All right, if you have watched this video to this extent, thank you very much, I appreciate. And don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video so that others can see it. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Okay, bye.